Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the activities which will help in the social development of the child. We are making this series of various development through the activities how parents can engage the child. We are doing it age wise, so we have in this video we are covering on what activities you can do to enhance the social development of the child for a 1 to 2 year old children. When it is social development, it includes how as an adult, how we interact with others to mingle or socialize. So basic one is about a smiling face and all our gestures, apart from the language, non-verbally how we communicate, probably our expressions and body language. So all these things the child is observing at 1 to 2 year old. So when the child is observing all this, so that means it's a clear cut, we being the role models, how best we want to communicate to the child. So in 1 to 2 years when you're doing it, one is about the name of the child, calling out the name of the child every time, wishing the child good morning, good night, those messages, and whenever the child is helping you, saying thank you, the magical use of magical words in a day, how much we can use, and while using all these things, the child also would repeat the same thing, and you would be able to see the child also responding, and the child is also doing whatever it is, like imitating whatever you are doing it. So it is with the praise, how you can instill those activities with the child is by praising the child. Whenever the child is responding back in a similar way, praising with a smile, clapping or hugging or showing the non-materialistic form of appreciation, what we say as. So you can do all such things to make sure that the child wants to repeat those wonderful gestures back again. Apart from this, wishes, good morning, saying like thank you, sorry, excuse me, using such words. The language also started, the child would 1 to 1.5 year, where the child would pick up the one word or two words to say. So enhancing the language is also very important part of social development. So talking to the child and active listening to the child. So when we say talking to the child, whatever activities you are doing, you can narrate to the child or tell the child what you're doing. Probably when you're cooking, the child would be around what you're cooking, how you're cooking, what are the ingredients. You can show basically the child the vocabulary increases, which helps in the language development. Apart from this, the story narration. The child likes if the parents do it with the various facial expression and voice modulation. So you can select few stories, read to the child, and story can also be narrated in different ways. We will have a separate video which will be related to how you can narrate different varieties of narrating stories to the child. So you can use one of the ways, or you can use one way one day and you other way of storytelling some other day. So while narrating the story, the two major things happen. One is the facial expression, language development, which is the core in social development. The second one is the morals in the stories. So values which are there in the stories. So sharing might be the values which is there in that story, or helping the other child or helping the other person might be there in the story. So these values which will help the child to know what is to be followed, what is the right way. Probably the child, so the moral in the story. So you can select a particular, selection of story is also very important, very small ones. For 1 to 2 year old, they don't have a patience to listen to your 10-minute story. It might be maximum of 2 to 3 minute stories would be very ideal, and you can use their own stories, examples, so they can relate. You can tell about the story of your own child's name and where the child has shown these morals or values. So this is a very good way of story narration, is a very nice way of bringing up the values in the child, which is core in socializing. Apart from this, you can sing to the child. Singing as rather than the lullabies, I would say that various fun entertainment rhymes which are very short in nature can be sung along with the child, or you can put any of your choice as music which will include as your own me time also, which will entertain you as well and bring the mood in home at being happy and joyful. So you can put some music and dance to that music using of musical instruments and doing it orchestra like you can do it, wherein you can sing, child can beat the drums, or somebody can use other banging instrument. So it can be like, it can be recorded and shown back to the child. This is one more activity which you can do. The other one is about the family album. So you can, if you have done 0 to 1 year already the album of the family members, if any new members you want to introduce, you can do, or friends you want to introduce, you can do through extending the album which you have already done. If you are not done, you are doing it now, you can start with the basic family members and then go extend it to the extended family. So this will also be a very nice activity. I have seen like around 10 to 15 men, the child wants to keep bringing that book and wants to show, because child already is familiar with so many pictures in the album, so the child wants to show each, and you can do your work and simultaneously child will be busy with that seeing the album. So this is also one activity which you can do it with your child as a family album. Talking to the child, listening to the music, story narration, and listening to the child also, because 1 to 2 year old child lot of facial expression and wants to tell many things through his or her own ways. So listening is also very important. So hope you will do all these activities with your child, enjoy socializing with your child.